Hello friend, in this video I am going to explain how to host our Angular app in a Firebase. It's a free of cost. Just go to Firebase and register yourself, and after that create a new project. If you have a existing project, it's okay. So here I am using an Angular project. I am going to create this project by using this continue button. So just follow all instruction and create it. It takes some time to create our project. So now project has been created successfully. So just click a continue to go inside this project, and now I am going to create a Angular app. Just I have created one folder. In this folder, just open this folder in a command prompt. So for this, just write the cmd and press enter. So it's my folder open in a command prompt successfully. Now you write the script to create a Angular project. ng new Angular. Press enter. Routing is required, so I am just pressing yes. Here I am using SAS, so selecting this and hit enter. It takes some time to create an Angular project. Okay, so my Angular project created successfully. I am going inside the Angular folder and open this code in a Visual Code. Just write code space dot. Open this code in a Visual Code. So see, this is my Angular project. I am going to run this application ng serve and -o to open this project in a browser. My project has been launched. See, so now my Angular application is working fine. So for deployment, I need a build. So stop this application, go to command prompt and stop this application by using pressing Ctrl C and press yes. So it has stopped my application. Now next step to create a build for your Angular app. So just write ng build -- prod to create a production build. Production build has been created successfully. Go to our code and check. See, this is my production build. Okay, so my next step to initialize the Firebase in our application. to deploy this code in a Firebase. So just copy this command, go to C command prompt and press Firebase init. Press yes. Here I am going to host my application in a Firebase, so I am going to select this option and press space to select this. Press enter. Firebase project already I have created. If you don't have, so go with the create new project option. Actually I have this already. I have created a Firebase project, so I am going with the existing project. Select this use existing project and press enter. Here I am using Angular project, so just select your project and press enter. He is asking what is your public directory. So in my Angular app, when you creating a build, so Angular created a dist folder. Inside a dist your project name. So my public directory is dist slash Angular. Press enter. Yes. No. No. I don't want to overwrite our HTML index file, so I am selecting no. My Firebase initialized successfully. Next step to deploy this code in a Firebase. Go to next step and copy this command and paste it. Firebase deploy. My project has been deployed successfully. Go to our Firebase and check. Just reload this Firebase. See, my application has been deployed in a Firebase. To verify our project hosting properly or not, copy this URL and open a browser and paste it. So now I am able to see our project in this URL, so it's working fine. So now my application hosted properly. To verify this change in same change in a Firebase also, just go to a Firebase hosting section, just check all build history in this section. Thank you for watching.